So today I'm gonna show you what happens if you put ivory soap inside of a microwave. For this, you need 1 bar of just plain, ordinary ivory soap. I wouldn't use any other kind of soap for this. I only use about a half a bar at a time when I do this project. So, I take my half a bar of ivory soap, put it in the microwave, and I'm gonna start for about 4 minutes. But I'm gonna watch it the whole time. Now as the microwave, you're gonna see it grow. You can see it's starting to grow right now in about 30 seconds. And it forms this giant cloud inside the microwave. Right now, we're at about 40 seconds in. Once it seems like the cloud has stopped growing, stop the microwave. It's probably only going to take 1 minute. So after 1 minute, this is what my bar of ivory soap looks like. It's forming this giant cloud of foamy soap. Alright, I hope you guys find something interesting to do. Don't ruin your microwave at home with this. Alright? But I hope you guys are doing good things, keeping yourselves busy.